decorating for Christmas. So Christmas is going to officially arrive for us, and we're both pretty excited about it. We've been what am I looking for the word? We've been showing extreme willpower by not listening to any Christmas music until we decorate, because that's what we do, including A Very Trainer Christmas, Meghan Trainor's new album that came out a week ago. Still haven't listened to it because I'm showing willpower. Before we decorate today, we decided to take this little one to the dog park. She is going to have so much fun. But before we get to the dog park, we have a very special stop to make. Can you guess what it is?
Thanks for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi there. Can I get 2 grande caramel brulee lattes?
I want mine iced.
And one will be iced and one will be hot.
And one will be
okay. Anything else?
venti.
Oh, my mistake. Could the iced one actually be a venti?
Yeah, of course.
And then
Will
that'll
that
be all.
for you? You're at
Yep.
1161. We'll see you out the window.
Thank you.
Someone gonna get a pop cup? And it's on her nose. It's so cute. Ready? Go in! Oh, that was nice.
How's that?
I feel good actually. Guys, it's a few hours later and we are about to start decorating. This tree is already up because I actually DIY flocked this tree in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that one, it'll be linked down below. You can go check it out. We are getting ready to decorate. We both just showered and kind of like got ready, so we felt a little better because we were basically cleaning all morning, getting ready for decorating. So I will show you all the decorations that we have. So I did get some new decorations this year. The table is pretty much full. This is just a trash bag of stuff. And then some more over here. We're gonna have 2 trees this year. So our main tree is in here. And then the one that I did, this is our tree from last year. I just flocked it myself and it's gonna be in here. So we have 2 trees, which I can kind of show you later why we're doing 2 trees, but this is what we're working with.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love. is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Aww, Maui, our first Christmas. Come here. Come here. It's your ornament. Yeah, it's your ornament. Are you excited? Come here. Yeah, remember this ornament from last year? Yeah. Better get you another one, huh? Better get you another one. Cardinal stand for people who Kathy gave me this, I think when I was 3 or 4, and I had just started ballet, so maybe I was 5. But her leg has broken several times and we re-glued it on. But she's made it this many years. This is when I was 12 or 13 and I was obsessed with Tinkerbell. I had a Tinkerbell phase.
Casey's first Christmas. Jinx.